How to contact directly with customer support on Binance. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to contact Binance customer support. Now after you open now your Binance app like this, now go to this menu, scroll to down, go to this more services, scroll to down, under help and support, go to chat. So from this section now, scroll to down. If you scroll to down, go to this, tap on this option which says get support. So from this option now, all you have to do now, tap on this option and type in P2P like this and tap on this send button. So after you type in P2P, as you can see now, scroll to down. If you scroll to down like this now, tap on this unsub button, this one. So by giving this option now, all you have to do, scroll to down, now tap on this search and type in customer support. After you type customer support like this now, so tap on this send button again. So from there, as you can see now, here it says, I understand that you need a human agent on handle. So now if I tap on this OK button, now it will give me access to chat with directly Binance customer support, not robot. Now I can be able to chat with human if I tap on this OK button. That's it, guys, on how to contact Binance live chat agent. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.